if you're experiencing crashing issues with CS2, there are several quick fixes you can try to stabilize your gameplay. Follow these steps to help reduce the frequency of crashes. Step 1. Update graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers, as outdated drivers can cause performance issues. Step 2. Verify game files. Use the game platform's built-in feature to verify the integrity of the game files. This process checks for any corrupted or missing files and replaces them, which can help resolve caching issues. Step 3. Adjust graphics settings. Lower the in-game graphics settings to reduce the strain on your system. This includes reducing resolution, texture quality, and disabling unnecessary visual effects, which can help improve stability. Step 4. Close background applications. Before launching the game, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources and can help prevent crashes caused by resource conflicts. Step 5. Check for system updates. Make sure your operating system is fully updated. Sometimes, system updates include important patches that can improve compatibility and stability for games, reducing the likelihood of crashes. By following these steps, you should see a reduction in crashing issues while playing CS2. If problems persist, consider seeking further technical support or checking community forums for additional solutions.